Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the source. Make sure your phone has mobile data and at least 20% battery, because tethering drains power fast. Next, enable the hotspot in Settings under Network and Internet or Connections. Set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password so only you connect. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. This matters because many laptops prefer one band. Once done, keep the hotspot screen open so you can confirm the SSID and password when your computer searches. You now switch to your computer and focus on the core connection steps. Open the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray, refresh the network list, and pick the SSID you set on the phone. Enter the password exactly because capitalization and symbols matter. If it fails, retype slowly. If the SSID doesn't appear, make sure the computer's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and airplane mode is off, then retry. Once connected, confirm internet access by opening a simple web page or running a quick ping. Finish by verifying the link. Check that your computer has an IP address from the phone, which usually comes via DHCP. Make a manual IP only if you know the range. Disable unused network adapters, like Ethernet, to prevent routing conflicts, and set your hotspot to a clear channel if interference appears. If things go wrong, the simplest troubleshooting is best. Restart the phone and computer. Then forget the SSID on the computer and reconnect with the correct password. This clears cache settings and often fixes stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.